Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful custard pudding using an easy method with custard powder. This simple approach ensures a smooth, creamy dessert every time, perfect for any occasion. You will need just a few basic ingredients: custard powder, milk, sugar, and a touch of butter. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and your preferred serving dishes ready to go. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our custard base. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it with about 1/4 cup of cold milk. Whisk this until you have a completely smooth, lump-free paste. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, but do not boil it. Now, slowly pour your custard paste into the hot milk, stirring constantly. Keep whisking the custard mixture continuously over medium heat. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. You will notice it begin to thicken beautifully within 2 to 3 minutes, transforming into a lovely, creamy, and pourable consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat. For an extra touch of richness and a wonderfully smooth finish, stir in 1 tablespoon of butter until it is fully melted and incorporated. Now, carefully pour your warm, delicious custard into your chosen individual serving dishes or a larger mold. Let it cool down completely at room temperature first. This prevents condensation and helps it set properly. Once cooled, transfer the dishes to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours or until firm. Serve your delightful custard pudding cold, perhaps garnished with some fresh fruit or a light sprinkle of nutmeg for an elegant touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.